Hey everyone, Sam here, and welcome to our newest LRC Jam. Today, we'll be talking about that delight of delights, Zoom fatigue. We all have spent 1 minute too many on Zoom. That moment when your eyes water, students looking around your DIY office, and everybody just wants to be somewhere else. Zoom fatigue. It's the exhaustion you get from having to be physically present, though you're not present where you're showing up. How can you take care of yourself and your students when we are constantly online? Here are some strategies that can help. Avoiding multitasking. Some of us, not naming names, like to have lots of browser tabs open, or email in the background, or phones pinging away. Do yourself a favor, close and silence these distractors before class starts to assuage brain overload. Build in breaks. When you're not teaching in person, it's even more crucial that you balance activities and tasks in the language classroom and come up with any excuse to get your students moving, physically and mentally. Transitioning takes time, but it is absolutely worth it to maintain focus. Outside of class, make sure you schedule screen-free time for yourself whenever possible. It will help you maintain stamina in your Zoom sessions. Hide the self-view. It's common to feel anxious and self-conscious while seeing video of yourself for any length of time, so save yourself from seeing it. Make sure you're centered in the frame and well lit before you start teaching, then hide that digital mirror and focus on your students. Change of scenery. Maybe you only have one room in your house that you can quietly teach from or do any work from. Get out of there as often as possible, even if it's just for a few minutes at a time. Walk around the house, grab a snack or a drink from the kitchen. Set yourself some boundaries around work and screen time so you don't become hypnotized. Check your furniture. Is your chair at an ergonomic height? Is it supportive? Are you lit well? Is your computer at a comfortable angle to look at? These little things go a long way when you're on video calls for long stretches of time, day after day. Instead of saying good enough, take a few minutes to make sure you're making yourself comfortable. Complain to friends and family. This is a lot. It's okay to just vent about it. We invite you to follow these strategies and practice compassion and empathy, not only for your students, but with yourself. For more tips, check out some additional resources linked in the description below the video. See you at our next jam.